Bananas in pyjamas are coming down the stairs. Bananas in pyjamas are coming down in pairs. Bananas in pyjamas are chasing teddy bears. 'Cause on Tuesdays they will try to catch them unawares.
Good morning, B2.
Good morning, B1.
I have a pajama-tastic feeling about today.
I had the same feeling too.
It's going to be a wonderful day.
A very wonderful day. Ooh.
It's a windy day, B2.
But a wonderful windy day, B1.
Who shall we go and see, B2?
Why not our friend Bernard?
Bernard? Why Bernard?
Because we can see him right now.
Bananas! Can you grab my hat, please?
We'll get it, Bernard.
Leave it to us. This is a tricky hat, B2.
Very tricky, B1.
I'll come from that way.
And I'll come from that way.
Now! Got it!
Good work, Bananas. Well done.
Our pleasure, Bernard.
Always happy to help a friend. Oops.
No matter, Bananas. I'll get it back into shape. More or less.
We're sorry, Bernard.
We hate to upset you on such a wonderful day.
Wonderful? Today? I think not.
Oh? Why isn't it wonderful, Bernard?
I've been doing my best to bird watch, but all the birds have flown away because of this confounded wind. But I'm a Barkington, and Barkingtons never give up. Cheerio, Bananas!
Good luck, Bernard.
We hope you find some birds to watch. Bernard isn't having a wonderful day at all.
Maybe it'll turn wonderful later.
Help!
Someone needs help.
Help!
Rat needs help.
We're coming, Rat! Huh?
What's going on, Rat?
The door! Close the door, Bananas!
The door! Are you all right, Rat?
Oh, no!
Are you hurt?
I've bent a whisker! Oh, what a day! A terrible day!
A terrible day.
An awful day!
An awful day?
First, I get sent these umbrellas by mistake. What am I to do with them? Who wants umbrellas on a windy day? And just look at this mess. And now I've got a bent whisker.
We'll help you clean up, Rat.
Oh, you will? Oh, that's good of you, Bananas.
Then maybe the day won't be so terrible.
It might even get to be
A wonderful day!
A wonderful day? Never.
Bernard isn't having a wonderful day.
Rat isn't having a wonderful day.
Is anyone having a wonderful day?
Oh, grab it!
I'm trying.
It's going everywhere!
The Teddies!
Do they need help?
Can somebody help?
I think they do need help. We're coming!
We're here, Teddies.
We'll help you.
Catch our washing, Bananas!
The wind is blowing it all over the place.
We've lost them.
Grab some others.
There.
I see it.
Flying a sheet is fun, B2.
Flying is fun, but what about the landing?
The landing was fun too.
And what a great swing! Whee!
Bananas, are you okay?
We're okay.
Not a scratch.
This wind!
It won't stop. Oh
Look out!
no! Our washing!
This might not be a good time to ask.
But are you Teddies having a wonderful day?
No!
Fair enough.
I didn't think so. No one's having a wonderful day, B1.
And if none of our friends are having a wonderful day,
How can we have a wonderful day?
everyone is having troubles.
All because of the wind.
If only their troubles could fly away on the wind, B2.
Then we might all have a wonderful day. Wind?
Fly?
Are you thinking what I'm thinking, B1?
I think I am, B2.
It's Let's Make Something Wonderful time!
Just look at our clothes.
Oh, we have to wash them all over again.
How can we? We can't hang them up in all this wind.
Hello, Teddies.
We've got a surprise!
We know you'll love it.
But we need to borrow that sheet.
This sheet?
That's the one.
Thanks, Teddies.
What do you need it for, Bananas?
That's the surprise.
Be at our house in 1 hour.
And you'll find out all about it.
This whisker, it's all your fault. Oh, yes, it is. I'm putting you away and you'll never come out. Bad umbrellas.
Rat!
Bananas?
We don't want to come in,
And let the wind in again.
so can you hand us out the umbrellas?
All of them?
All of them.
If you want them, you can have them. Ready?
Thank you, Rat.
Why do you want them, Bananas?
Come to our home at 2 o'clock.
And you'll find out why.
Oh, blast! No sensible bird is out in this weather, so what am I doing out here?
Bernard!
Bananas! What are you doing in this awful wind?
We needed to see you.
So we can borrow your hat.
My hat?
Could we have it?
You may, but whatever for?
Be at our home at 2.
And you'll see what for.
That's everything we need, B1.
Now we have to make it, B2.
Then make it we will.
Teddies, are you here for the banana surprise?
We are, Bernard.
What could it be?
We're about to find out. Bananas! We're all here.
Come on in.
The surprise is ready.
Everyone's had a terrible time today.
All because of the wind.
So how can we turn a terrible day into a wonderful day?
Even though it's very windy.
Oh!
That's terrific.
Quite a surprise.
But will it fly?
We're not very sure.
To be honest, we have no idea.
We can easily find out.
Let's try it.
Ready to launch, kite?
Let's get some speed up.
On my command, forward!
Letting go now!
Up, up.
Fly, fly!
Oh, it flies.
What are you you think, everyone?
Is this good or is this good?
Marvellous!
Great!
Brilliant.
Very cheesy.
It's a wonderful day, Bananas.
You don't have to tell us, Amy.
We already knew it. So what are we going to do today, B1?
I know what we should do first, B2.
What's that, B1?
Have breakfast.
Good thinking, B1.
Let's see what's in the fridge, B2.
That's funny, B1. Half of that yummy fruit salad we made yesterday is missing.
It can't be, B2. We haven't eaten any yet.
We haven't, B1, but somebody has. Look.
Someone must have eaten our fruit salad in the night, B2. But who?
It's a mystery.
A mysterious mystery.
Are you thinking what I'm thinking, B1?
I think I am, B2.
It's Detective Bananas time.
Now let's look for clues.
Oh, sorry, Detective B1.
No problem, Detective B2.
I think I found a clue. Look,
Muddy footprints, Detective B2.
and they lead right to the fridge, Detective B1.
Which means they were made by...
The fruit salad snitcher. Let's follow the footprints, Detective B1.
Right, Detective B2.
Hello, Bananas. So why are you in your detective gear, Bananas?
We've got a mystery to solve, Lulu. Someone ate our fruit salad.
While we were asleep.
But who would do such a thing?
The fruit salad snitcher.
Bananas, do you mind if I eat the rest of the fruit salad?
No, Morgan. The bananas need the rest to catch the snitcher.
Do we?
Why, Lulu?
Because if the snitcher ate half the fruit salad last night, he might come back for more tonight.
You're right, Lulu. And if he does,
The Detective Bananas will be waiting for him.
Detective B1, wake up! It's the fruit salad snitcher.
That's no snitcher, Detective B2. That's Morgan. He looks a bit strange, Detective B2.
Let's go and talk to him. Hello? Morgan!
What did he say?
It sounded like...
What does mean?
I think it means he's asleep.
Asleep?
I've heard about this, Detective B1. It's called, sleepwalking.
It looks like Morgan is also sleep eating.
You know what this means, Detective B1? Morgan is the fruit salad snitcher.
What should we do, Detective B2?
I don't know, Detective B1.
We'd better ask the Teddies in the morning.
You think I ate your fruit salad?
You were asleep.
Asleep?
He was sleepwalking.
That's impossible.
We saw you.
Well, that does explain why there were muddy footprints on our floor this morning. See?
They match the footprints in our house.
Exactly, Detective B2.
I'm sorry, Bananas.
It's not your fault, Morgan.
Well, if I do it again, just wake me up.
No, Bananas, don't. It says here you should never wake a sleepwalker
Why not, Lulu?
because they can get a bad fright.
Then how do we stop him?
Yes, how?
I know, Bananas. Why don't you just lock your front door? Then Morgan won't be able to get in.
Great idea, Lulu.
That'll definitely solve the problem. There's someone at the door, B1.
I'll get it, B2.
Wait, B1, stop! We can't open the door
Why not?
because it must be Morgan, sleepwalking again. He's going away, Detective B1.
Then it worked, Detective B2.
Let's have some fruit salad to celebrate. Who's that climbing in the window?
Oh no, it's Morgan.
Oh. He really likes our fruit salad, Detective B1.
He certainly does, Detective B2.
I ate your fruit salad again.
You did.
But how could he get in if the door was locked, Bananas?
He climbed in through the window.
Oh dear. Well, if that didn't stop him, what else can we try?
I've got an idea, Bananas.
7, 8, 9. How many more do I have to do, Amy?
As many as you can, Morgan.
Oh,
Amy, I still don't understand how all this exercise will stop Morgan sleepwalking.
Bananas. If we wear Morgan out, he'll sleep so deeply he won't have any energy to sleepwalk.
Oh, that is good thinking, Amy.
Very good thinking.
Wake up, Detective B1.
What is it, Detective B2?
Morgan's back again. Look,
Oh no. What's he doing, Detective B2?
poor Morgan. All that exercise has made him so tired.
He can't even sleepwalk without taking a nap.
Where's he going now, Detective B1?
I don't think he knows, Detective B2.
We'd better stay close, Detective B1. There's no telling what he might run into. Quick, he's going to hit the chair.
Oof! Now he's heading for the table.
He's got the fruit salad out, Detective B1.
But does he have the energy to eat it, Detective B2?
We don't know what else to try, Bananas.
Neither do we, Teddies.
Looks like we'll just have to stop making fruit salad.
Our favourite breakfast.
Oh.
wait a minute, Bananas. I think I've got an idea.
What is it, Morgan?
Well, what if I didn't have to sleepwalk to get the fruit salad? What if the fruit salad came to me instead?
How could the fruit salad do that?
It doesn't have any legs, does it?
No, I mean, what if the fruit salad was where I could get it without having to sleepwalk?
Are you thinking what I'm thinking, B1?
I think I am, B2.
It's fruit salad at
Teddies time!
There you go, Morgan. A nice fresh bowl of fruit salad right by your bed.
So now if you get hungry in the night, you won't have to walk anywhere.
I'm sure this'll work.
So are we, Morgan.
Good night, Bananas.
Good night, Morgan. Well, Detective B1, that's another case solved.
Yes, Detective B2, the Detective Bananas have done it again.
There's just one problem, Detective B1.
What's that, Detective B2?
Well, now that our fruit salad is at the Teddies' place, what happens if we get hungry in the night?
Oh dear, that is a problem.
Huh? Bananas? What are you doing here?
Oh, sorry, Morgan.
We just got a bit hungry, that's all.
Oh, bananas. Would you mind if I had some too?
Of course not, Morgan.
Thanks.
What's going on?
We thought the fruit salad was supposed to be for Morgan.
We're sorry, Teddies.
It looked so delicious. We just couldn't resist coming over to have some too.
Oh, bananas.
Bananas in pyjamas are coming down the stairs. Bananas in pyjamas are coming down in pairs. Bananas in pyjamas are chasing teddy bears. 'Cause on Tuesdays they will try to catch them unawares.
Look, B1, I think Lulu needs help. Let us help you with those, Lulu.
We love helping.
Oh, thanks, Bananas. That's so nice of you. These shopping bags are so heavy. It's a pity Rat doesn't have a delivery service.
What's a delivery service, Lulu?
It means that someone carries all the things you buy to your house. Then you don't have to carry them yourself.
What a good idea, B1.
A very good idea, B2.
Are you thinking what I'm thinking, B1?
I think I am, B2.
It's delivery service time.
There you go, Lulu.
Bye.
Bye, Bananas.
Rat!
We've got a wonderful idea.
Just a minute, Bananas. I've got a shop full of customers.
We can be your delivery service.
Oh, now that is a good idea, Rat.
Do you think so?
And do you know what would be an even better idea?
What's that, Charlie?
If your customers could just phone in and tell you what they wanted, and then have it delivered.
Oh, I like the sound of that, Rat.
Yeah, it would make shopping so easy.
Exactly. And you wouldn't have a shop full of customers all wanting to be served at once.
A phone-in delivery service. That is a good idea. All right, Delivery Bananas. You can start first thing tomorrow.
Yes!
So is that the lot, Amy? Yes. We'll deliver it straight to your house. Bye.
The delivery bananas are ready to roll, Rat.
Well, that's good. Now, there's 2 bags to deliver to Bernard.
I'll take those, B1.
And 2 for the Teddies.
I'll take those, B2.
And then 1 each for Topsy and Charlie.
I can take 1, B1.
And I'll take the other, B2.
Are you all right with all that, Bananas?
No problem at all. Bananas delivery service.
Oh, wonderful.
Here you go, Bernard.
Thank you, Bananas.
Bananas delivery service.
Here's your groceries, Teddies.
Oh, that's great, Bananas.
Bananas delivery service.
Thanks, Bananas.
Our pleasure, Topsy.
Bye.
Hey, wait, Bananas. These aren't my groceries. I don't like yellow jelly.
Oh dear. They must be the Teddies groceries, B2.
Then we must have given Topsy's bag to the Teddies by mistake, B1.
Oh, sorry, Topsy. We'll go back to the Teddies and swap the bags.
Thanks, Bananas.
We knew you'd be back, Bananas. We think you gave us Bernard's groceries by mistake.
Didn't you get Topsy's?
Not unless Topsy eats doggy treats.
We must have given Topsy's groceries to Bernard, B1.
Then we'd better go back to Bernard straight away, B2.
Bye, Bananas!
Oh, thank goodness you're back, Bananas. I think you gave me Charlie's groceries.
Don't you mean Topsy's?
I don't think Topsy would use special monkey shampoo.
Then that means we must have delivered Topsy's groceries to Charlie, B1.
We haven't been to Charlie's place yet.
Then this must be Topsy's bag, B1.
Oh, don't worry, Bananas. It can't be too hard to swap them back again.
Here you go, Charlie.
Are you all right, Bananas?
We've been delivering groceries all over Cuddlestown, Charlie.
And then swapping them back again.
I think I might have something that will help, Bananas. Come in. What do you think, Bananas? I call it the Delivertron.
Delivertron?
The Delivertron does all the work. You just have to point it in the right direction. It's got 3 speeds: slow, medium, and extra fast.
Thanks, Charlie.
My pleasure, Bananas. But there's one more thing.
What's that, Charlie?
These aren't my groceries.
Oh. This Delivertron will make our job a breeze, B1. Now, what speed should we set it on?
Charlie said to start on slow.
Then slow it is. This Delivertron is very slow, B1.
Let's change the speed to medium.
Oh, the control's very stiff, B1.
Let me help, B2. Come back, trolley!
After it, B1. Oh, dear. I think we should have left it on slow, B1.
I think you're right, B2.
Oh, how's the delivery service going, Bananas?
Our Delivertron went for a swim.
Oh, I see. Well, I think I know a better way to make your deliveries, Bananas.
What's that?
Why not use my hot air balloon? Then you'd get your deliveries done in no time.
That's a great idea, Bernard.
Good. I'll get the balloon and meet you at Rat's shop.
Thanks, Bernard! These parachutes are a great idea, Bernard.
The grocery bags will float to the ground as gently as cotton wool. And now, you have tied them on properly.
Good and tight, Bernard. Any more bags, B1?
Just one, B2.
That's it, Bernard. We're all set.
There you go, Bananas. Do a good job now.
Thanks, Bernard. We will.
Oh dear. Bananas, wait! The rudder's fallen off. You won't be able to steer.
What's that, Bernard?
You can't steer.
What did he say, B1?
He said you can't hear, B2.
You're right, Bernard. We can't hear.
Bye!
Isn't this fun, B1? We better get to work. Where's that thing we steer with, B1?
I can't see it anywhere, B2.
What are we going to do?
We'll just have to go wherever the wind takes us.
Look, here comes Topsy's house, B1.
And Charlie's house, and Bernard's house, and... Oh dear, we're going too fast, B2.
We better get all the groceries out before it's too late, B1.
Oh my goodness! What's happening?
Groceries? Falling from the sky?
Bananas delivery service! Bye! We're heading out to sea, B2.
What should we do, B1?
We have to make the balloon go down.
How do we do that?
I think we push this. Whoa!
Try moving it the other way.
think we're down, B2.
I think we are, B1.
And it's going to be a long paddle back to the beach.
Please, everyone! No kid come!
But I ordered hoppy treats, Rat, and I never got them.
And my monkey nuts didn't arrive either.
Hello, everyone.
Is something wrong?
No one got their correct orders, and what they did get was broken anyway.
Oh, dear.
We're sorry, everyone.
The question is, what to do about it? Oh, doesn't anyone have an idea?
Are you thinking what I'm thinking, B1?
I think I am, B2.
It's do-it-yourself shopping time!
What does that mean, Bananas?
You just come to the shop and choose exactly what you want. Like this.
And then you bring it to the counter and Rat puts it in a bag like this.
Excuse me, but isn't do-it-yourself shopping exactly what we used to do?
That's why it's such a good idea.
Sometimes the best way to deliver something is not to deliver it at all.
Oh, bananas!
I'll get it, B1.
I'll get it, B2.
After you, B1.
After you, B2.
Thank you.
Hello, Bananas! It's Morgan's birthday tomorrow, and you're invited to the party!
Oh, it's Morgan's birthday, B1.
Can you come, Bananas?
We'll be there, Lulu.
Great! See you tomorrow!
There's just one problem, B1.
What's that, B2?
We don't have a present.
Then we'll have to get one, B2.
But what kind of present would Morgan like, B1?
Why don't we ask Morgan?
Good thinking, B1. There's Morgan now, B1.
Why is he lying on the ground, B2?
Maybe he's hurt himself. We'd better get over there right away.
It's all right, Morgan. The Dr. Bananas are here.
Huh?
Try not to move, Morgan. Where does it hurt?
Bananas? I'm fine. I was just looking at the clouds, that's all.
Looking at the clouds?
Yes. Try it with me, Bananas. It's fun. See? Aren't they beautiful?
They are. They're so soft and white.
And peaceful.
I love clouds. I just wish I could touch one to see what they feel like.
Hey, Morgan! Are we still playing hide and seek?
Oh, sorry, Amy. Coming!
Wait, Morgan.
There's something we need to ask you.
He's gone, B1.
Now how will we know what present to get him, B2?
Well, he did say he loved clouds.
Yes, and that he wanted to touch one.
Are you thinking what I'm thinking, B1?
I think I am, B2.
It's Get Morgan a Cloud Time. But aren't clouds rather big, B1?
Then we'll get him a piece of cloud, B2.
Good idea, B1.
This will be the best birthday present ever!
You can't be serious, Bananas. You want a ladder to catch clouds.
That's right, Rat.
But, Bananas, a ladder won't get you high enough to reach the clouds.
Are you sure, Rat?
Of course I'm sure.
But what if we put the ladder on top of Cuddlestown Hill, Rat?
Then we'd be high enough to reach the clouds, wouldn't we?
Well, possibly.
Then that's what we'll do.
Can we buy a ladder, please, Rat?
Did you say buy? I'm sure I have the perfect ladder for you. Bananas, do be careful with that, won't you?
We'll be careful, Rat.
Very careful.
Oh! cheese and whiskers.
Look, B2, the clouds are closer here.
Oh, we'll catch one easily.
Let's stand the ladder up, B2. It's quite high, B2.
It was quite high, B1.
Oh dear, B2, this ladder doesn't work.
Maybe it needs something to lean up against, B1.
But what, B2?
I know, B1. Let's dig a hole for the ladder.
Good thinking, B2. Then it can lean against the sides. Is this deep enough, B2?
I hope so, B1. Let's put the ladder in and check.
Down it goes, B2.
Oh, there. That won't fall over, B1.
Now, I'll just climb up and catch a cloud.
How's that, B1?
I still can't reach them, B2.
Oh, dear. Getting Morgan a piece of cloud is much harder than we thought, B1.
Much, much harder, B2.
Oh.
Oh, cheese and whiskers! Oh!
We're returning the ladder, Rat.
Because we still can't reach the clouds.
You can't?
Nothing we've tried seems to work.
Wait a minute, Bananas. Maybe you don't need to reach the clouds. Only your net does.
What do you mean, Rat?
I'll show you. If you attach some of these broomsticks to your net, it should reach the clouds easily. See?
He could be right, B1.
Now, how many broomsticks would you like to buy?
How's that, B1?
Perfect, B2. Now our net will definitely reach the clouds. It's a bit wobbly, B2.
Very wobbly, B1. Let's attach it to the fence, B1.
Good idea, B2.
There! Those clouds won't get away now, B1.
We'll have one in no time, B2.
B1?
Yes, B2?
Can you see any clouds?
Not at the moment, B2.
Maybe we should have some munchy honey cakes while we're waiting, B1.
That's your best idea yet, B2.
Oh dear. Looks like the bananas still haven't caught any clouds. Perhaps I should give them a little help, just to cheer them up. This cotton wool looks exactly like a piece of cloud. Now, to get it into the net... Won't the bananas be pleased? Bullseye! Bananas! Bananas, come quickly!
What is it, Rat?
Look, I think you've caught something.
Could it be, B1?
I think it could be, B2.
Oh, it's a beautiful piece of cloud, B1.
All soft and fluffy, B2.
Morgan will love it.
What do you mean, Morgan?
It's a present for him, Rat.
That's why we wanted a piece of cloud for Morgan's birthday.
Oh, I didn't realise.
Hello, bananas.
Look, Lulu, we've got a present for Morgan.
A special present.
Ooh, what is it, bananas?
A piece of cloud.
A piece of cloud? Are you sure?
Oh, wait a minute, Bananas. I need to tell you something.
What is it, Rat?
Well, now that I see it closely, it isn't really cloud at all. I'm afraid it's just cotton wool.
Cotton wool?
Yes, it must have been blown in by the wind.
Oh, dear.
We still haven't got a cloud, B1.
Bananas, it's a lovely idea to give Morgan a piece of cloud, but it's not really possible.
Why not, Lulu?
Well, clouds are just air and little drops of water, so you can't actually hold one in your hand.
You can't?
Are you sure?
Very sure. I'm sorry, Bananas.
Oh. Oh dear. Now what are we going to get for Morgan's present, B1?
I don't know, B2, but I'm sure we'll think of something in the morning.
Wake up, B1. Today is Morgan's birthday.
I know, B2, and we have to get him a present.
I can hardly see anything, B1.
Bananas, isn't it wonderful? Don't you love this fog?
Fog? Is that what this white stuff is?
Most certainly.
But what is fog, Charlie?
Well, it's really just a cloud that's touching the ground.
This is a cloud?
Are you thinking what I'm thinking, B1?
I think I am, B2.
It's Morgan's present time!
Morgan, wake up! We've got a birthday present for you.
Huh? Did you say birthday present, Bananas?
If you come outside right now, you can touch a cloud.
A cloud? Let's go. Wow. Is this really a cloud?
It really is.
You're walking around inside a cloud, Morgan.
Oh boy, this is amazing. Thank you, Bananas. This birthday present is just the best. Woohoo! Whee!
Whee!
Bananas, you're the best friends ever.